Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, here today to show you my newest brokerage listing that I have taken on. This is a great opportunity for you to use a very lightly used 25 Boston Whaler Outrage. This boat, as you can see, is a 25 footer, but it looks much bigger. Boston Whaler overbuilds their boats. You'll see that more as we walk through this video. This boat does come equipped with twin Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower outboards. Has very low hours on them, but they have been used, so they do have gone through the mix of everything, a couple services, and the boat runs phenomenally well. Let's hop up inside and I'll show you some more. All right, now that we're up here in the back of the boat, like I mentioned earlier, this boat does come with twin Mercury 200 4-stroke outboards. In the back of the boat here, you do see it does have a flip out bench seat big enough to fit probably two average size Americans or maybe one true size American. It does fold away and recess back in, so once you are at your offshore spot fishing, as it retracts back in, it just opens up so much more fishing ability back here. It does have a freshwater wash down as soon as you enter into the boat, so if you are at the island, sandbar, you can rinse your feet off before you get back into the boat and don't have to worry about tracking everything around. This boat does come equipped with two live well systems, one here in the transom as well as the back of the leaning post here. Two cup holders, so you can always have a quick access to your drink once you're done catching your fish or baiting up, ready to go for your next one. Moving forward into the helm, this one does have a Marine electronic system. It does have the digital throttle steering system as well. And if you haven't used the digital throttle yet, you'll find that the transition in and out of gears is super smooth, very easy. It just allows you to hold on to certain RPMs a lot easier than if it were a mechanical driving system. Linko trim tabs, Fusion audio, you're gonna hear every bit of your music, news, sports news that you wanna hear while you're on the water throughout that day. One cool feature that I really like about this center console is here at the helm, you do have the full wraparound enclosure tempered glass with an air vent at the front. The air vent, once it's opened up, it allows just a small tunnel of air to come through. So if it is a nice hot day like it is every day here in Florida, it is nice to have a little bit of extra breeze coming through and just kind of keep you cool throughout your day, extend your day on the water, more time fishing, more memories being made. Finishing up at the front, you do have a very nice social setting here. Flip down armrest of the center console, wraparound seating. These pads do come off, so if you are just fishing for that day, take those pads out, leave them down in the center console, leave them in your garage, and open up the fishing ability on this boat even that much more. This boat does come equipped with windlass anchor, as well as a self-deployed Minn Kota trolling motor hooked up to a 36-volt lithium battery setup. Very light batteries is going to keep that trolling motor powered throughout the entirety of the day, so you can really use the spot lock feature on this Minn Kota and keep you over that wreck so you're catching fish throughout the rest of your day. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. It's a beautiful boat, rides well, fishes hard. So if you would like to know anything else more about it, please come see me. I'm Jacob Wright at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.